Hey guys, how's it going? How to set your OnlyFans account to private. So open the OnlyFans app or website and log into your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to settings or account settings. Find the section for privacy or visibility settings. Toggle the option to make your account private, ensuring only approved subscribers can see your content. Make sure to save your changes. Your account will now be private and only your subscribers can access your content. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.